Good morning, students. Welcome back to the session. Dear students, in the previous session, we are discussed about mock interview. What is mock interview? How how you are prepared, and what are the situation, and where do you prepare? What are the advice to take for mock interview, and what are the guidelines or what are the tips for good, effective mock interview success? In this, we are discussed in the previous session. In this session, we are discussed about group discussion. Introduction. A group discussion refers to a company communicate situation that allow its participant to share their view and opinion with other participants. It is a systematic exchange of information, views, and opinions about a topic, problems, issue, or situation among the members of group who share some common objectives. Meaning of group discussion. The group discussion is a combination of two words, group and discussion. They are two combined. So, group means many people are working together to achieve some target. The performance of a group depends on the collaborative work of individuals. The team of three or more than three people is considered as a group. Discussion. Discussion means exchange idea between two or more than two peoples, which is generally a face-to-face interaction. It is a process of talking between people to reach a specific decision. It is also defined as conversation about specific topic. The result or end product of group discussion can be particular decision, enhanced knowledge, action, and argument, doubt clearing, disagreement, etc. A group is a collection of an individual who have regular contact and frequently interaction and who work together and to achieve a common set of goals. Discussion is a process whereby two or more people exchange information or idea in a face-to-face situation to achieve a goal. The goal or end product may be increased knowledge, agreement leading to action, disagreements leading to competition or resolution, or perhaps only clearing of the air or continuation of the status quo. Why group discussion? A group discussion, popularly labeled as GD, is a popular methodology used any by many organization, company, institution, business school, or etc. These days to gang with the candidates as certain personality traits such as interpersonal communication skill, confidence in a public speaking, team spirit, leadership abilities, social behavior, and problem solving skill. GDs from an important part of the shortlisting process for recruitment or admissions. In a company or institution, over the last years, JD is used to test the soft skill of the candidates. It is used as a quick method to shortlist a few candidates from the massive strength. The written exam tests the knowledge and aptitude. Organization check the social skill, technical and communication skill so that a candidate can work effectively without any obstacle between his or her skill. The JDR group discussion is used to an exam for many organizations and schools. It tests the personality skill, communication skill, teamwork, confidence, problem solving skill, social skills, behavior and leadership ability of a candidates. It is also an essential part of the shortlisting candidates for a job or admission to a university. An intelligent candidate with a good knowledge and skills sometimes lacks communication skill, which can be lack on confidence, hesitations in speaking, unable to explain his or her point of view, etc. Due to this, group discussion nowadays have become an essential part of most of the organization and institutions. Knowledge and technical skills are essential things for a candidate, but in organization he or she might have a face the meetings, discussing technical issue, handling new employees, etc. Here, a lack of communication skill became the disadvantages of the candidates. Hence, organizations and institutions ensure that the candidate must possess all the qualities before joining. Over the recent year, a group discussion became a popular method of assessing a candidate's soft skills. The, con- the candidate who are shortlisted on the basis of written exam as qualified with their intelligent quotient, that is aptitude and knowledge. However, since the significance of emotional equity arose, a new tools such as JD were advised to gang candidates social and interpersonal skill. Organization conduct group discussions to find out whether you possess the critical qualities or skills to contribute effectively to the goal accomplishment process. Important of group discussion. It helps evaluate whether a candidate is the right fit for the organization. It helps assess how a participant performs under different situations in a group. It helps to judge how one conceptualizes and maneuvers his ideas through the discussion. It helps in any analyzing the candidate's attitude towards fellow members through one's communication and interpersonal skills, listening ability, humility and tolerance to other ideas. It helps in shedding light on candidates' leadership and managerial skills, problem solving aptitude, creating thinking and knowledge on the diverse topic. Since teamwork is an essential element of business management, corporate worksphere, a person's ability to perform well in a JD in the group discussion is very critical for successful career. A group discussion helps to achieve group goals as well as individual goals. The examiner can evaluate both the personality traits and the group skills of candidates participating in group discussion. It is basically a situation test wherein sample of a candidate's group worthiness and potential as a worker become a quite explicit. Do not raise your voice, improve your argument. In group discussion, as it's a popular called a communication methodology where a group of people known as participants share their opinion and view with the other participants and collaborate on their shared idea to work together towards a common objective. A group discussion facilitates the flow, how information, questions are raised and answered, and analysis of an issue carried out by team to figure out solution. In any interview process with a company, a group discussion is a mean to shortlist the probable candidate to select few. Being a part of the group discussion before getting in before getting into details of group discussion, let's us first see what is the basic requirement to participate in a group discussion. Knowledge of current events, generally knowledge and issue. In addition to if the group discussion technical, then you need subject knowledge to contribute effectively to the discussion. So purpose or objective of group discussion: to shortlist candidate for the next level of the selection process. To shortlist candidate for the next level selection process. Assessment of communication, technical skill in one go. Next, getting fresh input and ideas. Identify the solutions to any issues. In the context of working a company, a teamwork became essential as they required a diverse workforce and personnel who work well in team and produce result. They use group discussion for process like hiring to troubleshooting. There are several phases of group discussion. Orientation. The initial phase of group discussion. The participants get together and wait for the guidelines to given the candidate given. The candidates are unsure as they do not know who will facilitate the discussion and who will initiate. Anxiety and narrowness are common felt at this stage of group discussion. The tone of the discussion is set here for preliminary discussion. This phase about deciding the next course of action. Points to take action on discussion of a major milestone. It is a general understanding of the participant and their views can be obtained from these ways. If you decide to initiate the discussion, you have 50-50 chance. You have to be armed with the subject knowledge, be clear with your fact and communication skill. You will be able to catch and maintain the attention of the team and the judgment panel. But do if you do it for the sake of doing it and just being first, it will be reflect equally poorly in the eye of the team and panel. Initiating a discussion is crucial task and has to be treated as such. Give quotations, definitions, statement, antecedents in addition to fact that figures. Conflict. A, a power struggle is inevitable when two or more people are involved. A group discussion is no exception to this. With conflict at its peak, group members will challenge each other with data and fact. Controversial issues are brought up. Faction factions begins to form with some people supporting and some people against the view expressed. This power battle will lead to discussion into a high struggle debate and everyone get involved. There is a clear demarcation between the few who are proactive, the ones who are dominant, and the one possessive player, the S man, and those who are possessive participant and do not contribute to the discussion. With a heated debate in progress, there is a chance that discussion will be veer off course. Will have been. In this situation, the best approach is to stay calm and empathic. You can express your creativity in this space along with your problem solving skill. Try to ensure that you draw possessive participant into a conversation. Teamwork. This is a phase of collaboration. Once the pecking order is defined, the members winds down to calm and collaborate mindset. The team members began to communicate openly and conflict are relatively easy and quick to resolve. Information flow attained its zenith in this phase of group discussion. Leadership skills are still relevant here. The participants learn to appreciate each other competency, performance. The stage where a participant pro themselves attitude and aptitude shine through this phase. Evaluation skill like teamwork, decision making, and problem solving is done in this phase. Once the participants have the group discussion are all talked out, certain common points and solution began to emerge. Now the focus shifts to shift an in-depth discussion on these selected points and their dissent. The members are eager to attain their goal. As such, from a fruitful group discussion, there is no need to force and declare the solution. Instead, the participants tend to gravitate towards the most reasonable solution through the collaboration. Conclusion. The final phase of group discussion, a strong decision has been made through there will be descending voice. The points put forth by opposing participant will be noted and they will be looked into. So the decision is almost never unanimous, it can come pretty close to it. Usually, the familiarator will summarize the entire discussion, including net worth points and dissent. In this stage, no new idea or angle will be deliberate upon. Who are panelists? The panelists are the people who judge in the group discussion. Evaluation parameters are different for every company, but the general procedure remains the same. How is group discussion conducted? In this methodology, there are usually 7 to 12 participants in the group. The group of candidates is given a topic or situation which conducted be either factual, abstract or case based, and typically given some time to think and make notes about the same. After this, the group of candidates is and then asked to discuss it the topic among themselves for a specific duration ranging between 10 to 40 minutes, which is maybe vary from one organization to another organization. While the group discussion the paternity issue at hand, the moderator or panelist silently observe each candidate on the various predetermined parameters. The panelist assign scores to every candidate based on his or her individual performance as well as how he performed within the group. As in a football game where you play like a team, possessing the ball to each team members and aim for common goal. Group discussion is also based on the teamwork, incorporating views of different team of members to reach the common goal. So, a group discussion performs to communicate situation that allows its participants to share their views and opinions with other participants. It is a systematic exchange of the information, views and opinion about a topic, problems, issue or situation among the members of a group who share some common objectives. Group discussion process. The participant can range from 7 to 12 groups. The number of candidates in group discussion depend upon available strength. If the strength is low, the number of participants can be ranged from 5 to 7. Duration of JD. The average duration of group discussion is 15 minutes, but it may vary depending upon the number of the candidates in a group. Sometimes the panelists or judges can extend a discussion for more than 15 minutes, then can also end the discussion in between. The participant should not be considered any assumption that the group discussion will be conducted only for the 15 minutes. Some process. The process of group discussion starts with announcement of the topic. Given topic could be technical, factual or case study. Before beginning with the discussion, the preparation time of 3 minutes is given. The time can also extend in case of a long case statement. Any participant in the group can initiate the discussion. After the lead participant, anyone in the group can continue the discussion. Similarly, everyone gets the chance to speak, one after another. Participant in the group expression their views on a given topic. It ends with an panelist stop the discussion or may ask one or more than one participant to summarize the group discussion. Whenever you are asking for the summary, remember to cover the discussion point. The summary cannot including the words that were not part of the discussion. The participants that were quit among the discussion are generally asked to summarize it, which is a good opportunity to present their views, but it does not mean that everyone should be quiet. The summary should be including essential discussion point and conclusion of the discussion. The final score are calculated. Finally, based on the performance of each participant, the panelists give the score. The panelists are usually 4 to 5 to judge the performance of candidates in the group discussion. A group discussion are the essential part of testing candidate in the organization, recruitment process, etc. It also play an important role in improving the skill of candidates. Some of the skill discussion or importance of group discussion or benefit of group discussion. Increase confidence. The group discussion allow the participant to speak in public, which increases their confidence to speak without any hesitation. Focus on deep thinking. It tests the knowledge of candidates. Participants get only a few minutes, that is 3 to 5, for preparation. In such small duration, they have to make a list of points to speak. The participant in the group listen and understanding other participant point of view, making them think deeply about the topic. Improve communication skill. Group discussion help the student to represent their views and ask the questions. It not only increasing to confidence of candidate but also enhance their communication skill. Remove hesitation speaking. Remove. Some candidates usually have hesitation to speaking in public. At starting, such candidates might face difficulty while speaking, but after 2 or 3 group discussion, it improve. Group discussion help such candidates to speak loudly and express their view on the topic, further improve their hesitation speak. Teamwork. So, a group discussion is also based on the teamwork. In a company, it is very important to work as a team for the assigned project. Due to this, the quality of working together with team members is checked in the group discussion. The panelist also judges or cooperation of the participant in the group. It allows the participant to share their views with other participants in the group. Behavior. It helps to understand the attitude and behavior of the candidate towards the other participant in the group. Listening skill. A group discussion improves listening skills of the candidates. For example, the panelist may ask any candidate in the group to summarize the discussion. The candidate can only summarize if he or she has good listening skill. Due to this, every candidate present in the discussion listen carefully. It further improves the listening skill of candidates. Diversity in the ideas. A group discussion involves sharing ideas with other participants in the group. Every participant share his or her thoughts in the group, which make the diversities in the ideas. Recruitments. The group discussion is widely used for the recruitment process. It helps panelists to select a few candidates from the group. It also helps them to judge that the candidate is suitable for the organization or not. Type of group discussion. There are two types of group discussion, which are topic based group discussion, case study based on group discussion. Top based group discussion. There are few candidates in group where each group is given any topic. The group member can discuss the topic, which is called group discussion. The topic based group discussion can be further classified as controversial topics, knowledge based topic, abstract topic, conceptual topics. Let discussion one of each subject or topics. Controversial topics. The discussion of the controversial topic becomes the debate. Such topics are given to judge the participants' temper and how they can handle the discussion without losing their calm. It shows that how candidates can represent his or her view without arguing with other participant. The example of this controversial topic can be reversionary system, regional equality, etc. Knowledge based topic. The participant should have proper understanding of the topic before proceeding for a discussion. The information should be enough to convey the panelists. The essential thing is to confident. Do not initiate the discussion if you are not aware of the topic. The example of knowledge based topic are CAT versus GATE and government jobs versus private jobs. Abstract topic. The abstract topic tests creatively and thinking of candidates. It is also test the communication skill. Example of abstract topics can be a walk to remember. The last topic is conceptual topics. The conceptual topics are widely used today by companies. It tests the knowledge, logical and aptitude skill of candidates. The topic for the discussion is randomly selected, giving the panelist a spare to judge the participant creative thinking and ability to handle the situation. For example, conceptual situation are life is a puzzle. Next type, case study based group discussion. The case study based group discussion is generally followed by the MBA students such as IIM etc. In such discussion, problem is given and participants are asked to resolve them. The preparation time is also higher as compared to the other discussion. The panelist test the teamwork and decision making skill of the participant. The participants need to be active and updated with the things around them. It also tests the observation capability of the participants. For example of the case study based on topic can be discussed between the boss and manager. The types of topic based on group discussion already discussed about controversial topics, knowledge based topics, abstract topics and conceptual topics. We all discussed in the previous. Rules of group discussion. There are some rules of group discussion. The rule of group discussion are listed. Prepare well for topic. Prepare well for the topic. So quick track is note all the important point during the preparation time. Do not write brief paragraph. Try to write short point and explain them briefly in the discussion. Be confident about your content. It would help you have always were confident about your content. If you are not confident, you may hesitate while speaking, which will be create a negative impression. Participant introduction. Most participants only focus on their content. You should be bear you should be aware during the introduction of all the participants in your group. To get attention, you can call out the person's name when discussion get diverted. Body language. Always take care your body language. Do not focus only on the content. Leadership. Leadership. Try to take the lead in the group if you are confident about the topic and the knowledge. Avoid false starts or commitment. Do not initiate the discussion if you are not sure about your content. Do not present any wrong information. Follow your domain. Every company has its own culture. Prepare your content according to the company requirement. For example, industry company will focus more on technical talk, while marketing companies seek the combination of the creative and orientation content. Do not fight. In the group discussion, some candidates often get aggressive and fight, and do not fight during the discussion. Most of the companies require sensitive and polite candidates rather than aggressive one. The performance of an effective group discussion depend upon individual skills and group coordination. Before discuss about group skill, you can discuss about the individual skills. the individual skills. The individual skills are communication skills. All the participants in the group discussion present their view of their given topic. The language used should be simple so that everyone should in the discussion can easily understand. Content. The content is an essential part of the discussion. The content is the words spoken by every candidates. The content should not be copied, repeated, and wrong. It creates a negative impression. The candidate should be not get diverted from a topic if the content is correct and relevant to the topic. The panelists examine the connection and give the score based on your content. They also check that the content is deep or superficial. Analytical skill. The analytical skills including the exploration of the asked questions and creativity skill. It includes how you can think differently from other participants or present your view in different way. You can also abstract the topic differently. All these points will make you unique. It will also gain more focus from the panelist on you. Decision making. Group discussion help in evaluation of the topic and research towards the specific decision. It based on the suggestion given by the members of the group. The task of selective suitable candidates from the group also became easy for the panelist or boss. Covering mistakes. The panelists give the topic at the time of group discussion. You usually get a few minutes to prepare. Sometimes while speaking, mistake often happen, but it does not mean that we should stop the discussion between and get nervous. In such cases, never lose confidence. Always correct the mistake and come back with the confidence. Reasoning skill. The panelists check how much participant is right is her logical skill. They also check how good you are in supporting standpoints, how you respond to the other participants, and weakness or strengthen other argument in the discussion. Voice. Voice can range from high pitch to low pitch. A high pitch sometimes seems irritating, while low pitch may not be understood by everything present and discussion. So, voice plays a very important role. High pitch is usually when the group discussion becomes the market where everyone is speaking and no one is suitable. At the time of at, at that time your high pitch can calm the participant. So you should adjust your voice and pitch as per the circumstances. Fluency. A participant of group discussion should have fluency in his or spoken English. Everyone in the discussion listen to you carefully. Improperly, improperly fluence will be distract the listener. So it is essential to influence while speaking. Enthusiasm. A group discussion are generally up, usually unpredictable. Various candidates are keen to share their view with others. The more enjoyment you feel while sharing views, the will, better will be your performance in the discussion. If you are not interested in the group discussion, you may not be able to express your view clearly. Initiative. Initiative means take held in discussion. If you are confident and have good knowledge about topic, take action. Do not hesitate and be the first one to start the discussion. It will be get you the bonus point. You can also take initiate between when the discussion is diverted or going out of the topic. What is a group discussion? So we can, after discussing some of the group discussion skills are existing. Content. What you say during the discussion is looked into in from two participant relevance and comprehensive. It's possible that participant have talked a great deal in group discussion, but he or she may have devoted from topic significantly, in which case the content is deemed largely irrelevant without possibility of further evaluation. If the content has been relevant to the topic, the panel examine whether your treatment of topic is superficial or in depth. Distinction we shall be discussed in detail in the next few posts or next session. Analytical skill. The panel is of the course interested in your fact, but they also like to see whether or not you can explore the why and how of the subject matter. This put your sternest test in a case study topic. Reasoning skill. The panel look at how you supporting your standpoint and how you are respond to those of the others. How effectively we can strengthen or weaken an argument. How logical you are in your overall approach to the topic. Organizational skill. You may have fact the support the explanation, but are you able to present them in right order so as to maximize the impact of your good content? The panel want to examine this emotion communication skills. You may have exhibited all the skills situated above, but can you get your point across someone in small language they understand with relevant illustration they can identify with? Creativity. Are you able to bring the table novel perspective on the topic? Can you look at a problem differently from 10 other participants and suggest a path breaking solution? Can you interrupt and abstract topic in way the other cannot? If yes, the panel look at you as someone with one of the rarest of human qualities. Apart from these, there are some other group skills are there. Listening skill. The, the panel constantly observe whether or not every participant is listening to the discussion. In my experience, most participants are concerned only with speaking and feel that they are done with job as soon as they have spoken, which is contrary to the spirit of discussion. There are many ways a panel may infer that participants is a poor listener, such as lack of eye contact with the group or a poor summary at the end. It is one of the rarest skill and most for the would be manager. Leadership qualities. In highly charged discussion, one of the two participants usually play the role of the anchor, in that they define the topic appropriately, offer the initial analysis of the keyword of the topic, and also try to hold the group together in pursuit of common goal. Such individuals could demonstrate effective leadership and score some extra point. However, one cannot score anything extra simply because one spoke first in the group or was a loudest. Body language. While assessing the body language, the panel primarily look at the eye contact and hand movements. The speaker must maintain a consistent eye contact with the entire group as or she speaks, and the listeners must recipro- reciprocate. If either does not happen, you allow the panel to fear whatever they wish to, from a lack of confidence to lack of interest in group discussion to the lack of concern for others. All every determinantal to the final score. Hand movements are to be your speech and functions is to your writing. If used to visually, they beautiful enhance the efforts of your words. I recommended that you simply free your hands. Do not engage them with something pointless such as playing with a pen or tapping on the desk or running through your hair. The body has intelligence of its own. Just leave your hands alone and focus on the topic. The hands will start moving naturally. Please remember that body language cannot be faked. A skilled observer will quickly see through such deception. And deception and what the run, do not engage with something pointless such as pen and other. The body has intelligence its own. Just leave your hands alone a focus on the topic, hands moving naturally. Please remember that body language cannot fake do. A skilled observer with quick with strong deception. Just focus on the task and the hand and the body will obediently follows. The panel may also pay attention to your voice modulation. A monotonous pitch may reduce the impact of even most powerful words unless you are a Tommy Lee John. Very the pitch of your voice is ordered to needed to emphasize. Last point, group behavior. This is usually assessed in the board distinction, assertive or aggressive. Avoid the letter no matter what. Assertiveness is a rational display of conviction of one's thought, while aggressiveness is a display of domination through subtitle intimidation. Assertiveness allows room for flexibility, which is a desired trait, while aggressiveness lead to irritational rigidity of viewpoints. Please remember that B school are looking for sensitive individual, not skinhead bouncers. How to participate? How to participate in the group discussion? Preparation. Review the topic and the available materials. Make copious notes and highlight issue. Be ready with comments or questions that you are want to make. Arrive earlier. This gives the impression that you are dedicated. Being highly organized with your time will help to meet other participants and will also give you time to bring your feeling under control and project confidence. Speaking the right way. Avoid tag and do not seek the approval of other. Do not question yourself with I think and other qualifier. Use the correct tone. Modulate your voice and do not bore others by being monotonous. Do not come across as rash or too soft spoken. All these factors affect your credibility. Be polite. Always acknowledge the contribution of the others in the team. You can go ahead and present your version and state while that might be better alternative. Never downplay anybody's contribution to the discussion. Keep focused. Never wandered away from the topic of discussion. Personal far away into the land should also avoided. Be attentive, be good listener. Even in case of any ongoing debate, ensure that the points are relevant to the topic and hand. Elaborate if the points you prepared are being put forward by another person. Do not hesitate to give additional point towards it. Body language. Ensure you project as open, receive, friendly, yet assertive, stand and discuss with confidence. Skill required to be a good at a group discussion. Do not be dominant, be assertive, be self-assured and confident. Reasoning. Logical or critical reasoning test, you are expected to interrupted patterns, sequence and be able to isolate the issue the given context. Thinking. Think before you speak. This is the understand but very appreciable trait. Team player. Do you have patience to listen another person's point of view and doing that without interrupting them when you dissent? Speaking. Your ability to hold clear conversation and your ability to communicate effectively in considered as must have skill. Presentation. your ability to demonstrate, inform, inspire, or pursue is all include the presentation skill set. A must have skill and one which can be easily developed. Creativity. Your innovative skill and your ability to assimilate them into the real world is a useful skill to have. Time management. The time management, everyone at the discussion gets limit amount of time, so you need to be well prepared and deliver your stuff a good pace. Summarizing, if you are facilitator or proactive participant, para, paraphrasing and summarizing are great skill to have. As the name implies, you need to be good at given concise and summarized version of the entire discussion in a few lines. These are the how to participate group discussion. So, and also give the some tips for the group discussion tips. Can prepare well and have good subject knowledge. Speaking only when relevant. Be a leader. Observe and be a good listener. Improve your communication skill, body language skill. Do not dominate. Do not be aggressive. Do not play for two teams for and against. Do not give up your speech time. Do not be part of the melee. Facilitator in a group discussion. Prepare, engage, guide, record, productivity, and summarize. These are the good for group discussion tips. So I will hope you are better understand this. Okay, thank you students. Thank you.